On Android phones, there's actually an option to open any file using different types of apps. Audio files serve as a good example. Besides music players, they can also be accessed through browsers or alternative apps, demonstrating Android's versatility. Today, I'll share a simple trick to open various file types using different apps on your Android phone. Let's get started right away and explore this handy method together. To open various files, we need the perfect tool. Start by launching Play Store and typing File Manager in the search box. This will be our key to unlocking file flexibility. In the search results, look for the File Manager app developed by File Manager Plus. This is the specific app we'll use to manage and open different file types on your Android device. I recommend this app for 3 reasons. It's lightweight, free to use, and comes with special features that are essential for our file opening purposes. It's a perfect combo of convenience and functionality. Once installed, open the app and ensure you grant access to your internal storage so it can read local files. As for notification permissions, it's up to you whether to enable or disable them according to your preference. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. Your engagement helps us create more helpful content for you and the community. Now locate the music file you want to open. I'll demonstrate with an audio file, which I'll open using the Chrome browser. This will show you how versatile file management can be on Android. Press and hold the file until it's selected. Then, tap the More menu, indicated by 3 vertical dots in the bottom right corner. This menu offers additional options for handling your file. From the menu, choose Settings. In the next dialog window, enable Open As. This feature adds an Open As option to the More menu, allowing you to open files with different apps. Go back by pressing the back button, then tap the More menu in the bottom right corner once more. As you can see, the Open As option is now available. Tap on it to proceed. In the dialog box, select Other. You'll see a list of all apps installed on your phone, including browsers, file managers, image viewers, music players, and more. Choose the app you want to use to open your file. Let's open this MP3 audio file using Chrome. Tap Chrome, then select Just Once at the bottom to make this a one-time setting. Voila! Your audio file is now open in Chrome, proving that Android offers multiple ways to access your files. The method I showed you allows opening any file type with various Android apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet again in the next Droid Tips video for more Android hacks and tips.